Here we're going to graph this equation and notice that we have x minus 1 in the parentheses, and this is to the second power, and we also have 4y squared, and this is adding. So you know this is going to be an ellipse. And to graph an ellipse, be sure the right-hand side is equal to 1. But this is 4. So what should we do? We are going to divide this 4 by 4 so that we can get the one that we want. And of course, we are going to divide everything by 4 as well. And now let's see what do we get. For the first term here, we will just have x minus 1 to the second power over, for the 4, we are going to be looking at this as 2 to the second power. Okay, so let's put that down as 2 to the second power. And then we add it with, you see the 4 and 4 cancel. Right here, we have y to the second power on the top. And be sure you write this down as a fraction so you can see what number to use. So that will tell us to go up or go down, right? So technically, it will be y squared over 1. But then I have to look at the 1 as 1 squared. So let me put this down as 1. And 1, once again, it's the same as 1 squared. And this right here, 4 over 4 is the 1 that we need to have. And now, you see, this number and that number are different, so we have an ellipse. And it's ellipse because we're adding. And we are going to find out what the center is first. So look at this, look at that. The h is 1. Even though you have x minus 1, but the h value is 1. It's the opposite, right? It's the opposite of what you see. So we have 1, comma. This is just y squared. We are not adding, we are not subtracting anything directly to the y, right? So it will be 0. You can think about this as y minus 0 and then square. So that's how we get it. Here is the center. And now we can get to work. So let me just draw the x and y axis right here real quick. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 0, of course. And then we can go up 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. Things like that. Center is 1, 0. So I'm going to start right here. This is 1, 0. And now, let's look at the first term right here. Look at this 2 in red. This is underneath the x, right? So this 2 will tell us to go to the left twice and then go to the right twice. You associate this number underneath the x with left and right. 2 times from the center to the left, and then 2 times toward the right. Okay? And now, let's look at this one in blue. This is underneath the y. You associate y as up and down. So, from the center here, we are going to go up 1 time and go down 1 time. So, go up 1 time will be right here, and you go down 1 time, it will be right here. And now we are ready because I can now just connect all these 4 points with an ellipse. Don't draw a baseball diamond, just draw an ellipse. And we are done.